Eric Muadid, Muadid.com. Again, we're going to take a look at another minor method. I wouldn't pay much attention to this one. I'm going to tell you this up front. It's not one I use a lot anyway, but you know, since it's there, I once in a while I'll notice it and I'll put it in the background of my analysis. It's just something I'm throwing out there. Makes no difference really, but it's not that important. It's again for short-term purposes, for those who you know, like to get a little bit insight on what might be coming along the way in the next couple of sessions for a stock. Again, we're using a 5-minute intraday chart. I use a 10-minute time frame. I mean a 10-day time frame. You can use whatever time frame on a daily basis that you want, as long as it's a 5-minute daily chart. This is what my research, what I've been using this research for, and really what it entails. More than 3-peat, yeah, is that on a daily chart, on a given day, on a 5-minute, the RSI, if the RSI trades above or even comes very close to 68 more than 3 times, 1, 2, 3, more than likely the stock is gonna have a substantial short-term move in the next within 10 days. All right, usually sooner than later. So if you have 3 moves above or very close to 68 intraday in a session, within 10 days the stock is going to have a nice move for a nice short-term gain. Let me see whether I'm forgetting anything, because I'm just going off head here, not using any notes or anything like that. So I guess that's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have examples. I'm going to tie down the gap up indicator, the 5-minute intraday timing technique, and also this one, the more than 3-peat. I'm going to have lots of examples, so check out the examples for this related 5-minute chart settings. This is Eric Muadid, Muadid.com, trying to make you some money. Yeah! You know, I've decided to be consistent and probably give you one example along with the introduction for the more than 3-peat indicator. So we are looking at a 5-minute intraday chart setting for a stock, and I want to notice here on the this is going back to what year was this? If I can move my thing, there we go. October 16th, 2006. That's when I saved the chart. So yeah, I've been doing this for a while, saving them as I go along. But anyway, so now let's see what happened. I think on the 11th of October 2006, we see right here on this day, while the stock was forming this base right here, that took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions before we had this move right here. But notice what happened on the 11th. We had a move to 68, 1, another move to 68 intraday, 2, another move to 68, 3, and then again we also had another move just prior to before the close. So that's 4 moves above 68 in one session. So even if we took the 3 right here, that makes a 3-peat. And notice what happened. Usually what this suggests is that there's something underlying in the stock, and there's somebody who thinks at any time it might take off. There's something brewing. And sure enough, there was this gap up on volume right here. Actually, after the next day, the stock gapped up intraday actually on good volume right there. Clean breakout, retested it, and then moved higher. And you see this breakout took the stock from 650 to as high as 875 in under 2 days. So that's why this indicator can also be used for short-term purposes. This is Eric Muadhi, Muadhi.com. Peace and blessings. G.